welcome back to my channel. I wanted to get on here and share this exciting news with you guys. I am officially a box charmer. I'm so excited. I have been wanting to get this for a long time now. Finally got it. My first one came in. I probably joined last week, so it only took a week to get here, and we're already towards the end of August, and they literally, I didn't think I was gonna get one until September. If you want to see what I got, keep watching. So here's the box. And let's see what I got. Okay, so here's the card. It has all the information on the products and how much they retail for. Okay, so let's get started. The first thing I see is this mascara from Tarte. It says Big Ego Lashes. Let your lashes be full of themselves. Wow, this is gorgeous. Super bright. I love it. I can't wait to try it out. So I got that. It's the Tarte Big Ego Mascara, an ultra black vegan mascara that lifts your lashes and delivers a full loaded flutter for up to 16 hours. And retail is $23. Second thing that I see is from Ace Beauty. It's a glimmer shadow in the color Huckleberry. Really pretty and soft. And very pigmented. Okay, so it's a duo. So you get this one that is Huckleberry, and then this one, which is French vanilla. It's like in a silvery color. It says Ace Beauty Glimmer Shadow Duo. High pigmented soft shadows with a creamy texture, especially designed for the ultimate color payoff. These shadows provide bold color in one swipe without falling out, creasing, or fading. Yay, I'm so excited. Okay, and those retail for $25. The next thing that I see is this right here, which I've never tried a product from Becca, but I've heard really good things. And this is the Becca Hydra Mist and Refreshed Powder. So it's like a setting powder. Comes in like this really cute little case, which I love. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this and see what it feels like. So it does have a cooling effect, like I can feel it as like a mist. So the Becca Hydra Mist and Refresh Powder, this weightless powder sets and refreshes makeup for silky smooth, invisible finish, formulated with 50% water and glycerin. This powder creates a mist-like sensation on the skin for seamless finish and comfortable feeling. And this retails for $39. Like, I cannot believe I didn't get Boxycharm from the beginning. Like, I'm obsessed for sure. And this is, let's see, a Illuminating Face Oil, Glow Ahead. Smells good. This Wonder Glow Ahead Illuminating Oil. This multitasking beauty elixir instantly hydrates and absorbs into the skin, revealing a bouncy, youthful complexion. No matter what skin type you have, the lightweight, powerful formula nourishes and primes the skin and helps you restore skin's moisture barrier while providing a youthful glow. The spill-proof dropper allows you to use 1 drop at a time, and this one retails for $42. What? Hollywood and Vine Velvet Touch Smooth Eyeliner. Line your eyes with a rich intensity of Velvet Touch Smooth Eyeliner. Kohl Eyeliner. The creamy formulated glides on smooth and adds drama to any desired look. And this is retailed for $7. So since I registered, they sent me 2 extra products. So the 2 extra products that I received is this right here. It is a palette. Let's see, Butter London Natural Goddess Eyeshadow Palette. And I'm excited. Ooh, that's really pretty. Look at those colors, you guys. So pretty. And the palette is so cute. Let's see how they... So I want to do like a swatch. So I'm doing a swatch of all of the colors, and they're so pretty. You can see them. Butter London palette, Serving Queendom Realness, bring out your inner goddess in Butter London's vibrant natural goddess eyeshadow palette. And this one retails for $32. And last but not least, I got these Luxie, let me see, Luxie Gaea 3-piece brush set. It says these are co-friendly Luxie brush set. Apply foundation. You get a foundation brush, eyeshadow brush, and a large blending brush. So let's go ahead and open these. Ooh, these are pretty. So pretty. Okay, so that is it, you guys. That's all I got. So this one, let me see, it says, and those retail for $30. So literally everything that I got, let me see, let me add this up. Okay, so the Becca misting thing was $39, plus the Wonder Glow Ahead was $42, plus the Tarte mascara was $23, plus the Ace Beauty was $25, plus the Hollywood eyeliner was $7, and then the Butter London was $32, plus the 3-piece brush set, which was $30. So that ends up coming into $198, and I'm only going to be getting 5 products. It was just because I signed up when they were offering, I guess, 2 free products. So I'm excited. I am obsessed with Boxycharm. I don't know why I didn't get it from the beginning. I started off, I was very like skeptical on the beauty boxes, the makeup boxes. But when I started getting my Ipsy, in debating on not continuing with my Ipsy bag, just because this is like literally $10 more and you get full-size products. So I don't know, you guys. Let me know what you guys got in your Boxycharm box. I'm excited to be a charmer, and if you have any questions or if you want to start getting your box, I'll go ahead and leave my link down below. I think if you do get one off of my account, I get like points or something like that for free products. So yeah, definitely go check it out. I'll leave the link down in the description box below. If you have any questions, let me know. And I'm excited. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.